Okay, so the guys at CVLIFE sent me out this rifle scope. This is supposed to be a prize table item for my long gong match, but they also asked if I could do a review on it as well. And this is the highest end optic that they've sent me so far. This is the top of their line product. So this is a CVLIFE EagleBlaze 5 to 25 first focal plane 34 millimeter tube. It has 0 stops. It is supposed to be Japanese HD glass, not Chinese glass in it, and a sunshade, the whole 9 yards. So it is going to very much, just on paper, it very much mimics what the Strike Eagle in the distance there does. So that's what I'm going to use it as a comparison against when I take it to the range. And I've got a lot of time behind Strike Eagles, so I know what I'm looking at with those. So anyway, let me go ahead and get this thing opened up and show you a few things. Obviously, first one is that the box is a lot more decorative and has more, it shows that this is their premier, brand. It's not just a plain black box now. The what you have inside of it is well, I don't know how well it's going to pick up on here with the light, but that's going to be your 0 stop. And just looking at it with the notch, it is going to be very reminiscent of a Strike Eagle Viper style 0 stop. It's got a couple of CR 2032 batteries, and then there is the throw lever for the zoom adjustment, or magnification, and that's going to be the tool on the back side there to take the turret caps off. We got an Allen wrench, and we have rings, and I will tell you right now, guys, these rings are just as heavy as anything I own. These are a good quality ring based off the weight of them. These are, they're worn kind of weight, and Warns, in my opinion, are kind of one of the heaviest ring out there. So it's a step up in the additional stuff that you get. And then there is a second one in there as well. Let's get the scope out. The information packet. I'm not going to go into all kinds of detail about the optic itself. I'm going to save that for some first-person discussion on the range with it. But just real quick, it is 5 to 25, 56 millimeter objective, 34 tube, quarter minute of angle. I did ask them if they make this in mil radians, and they do not yet. They're going to need to if this thing takes off. And parallax is down to 30 yards. I'm not going to bore you with all the other stuff. It does have a Christmas tree reticle, so for my style of shooting, that is a big plus. This is interesting how they put the sunshade over the... you're going to have to pull the dust cap off of it to get the sunshade off in order to get the optic out of the bag. And I will weigh this up and get in ounces the difference between this and, again, a Strike Eagle. I will tell you, it's every bit as heavy, in my opinion, just holding it in my hand here like this. So yeah, there we go on that. I am gonna, so it is locking pop-out turrets. I'll bet, even though the mic's up on my body, you probably heard that. Very tactile. If not, I'm gonna bring it up closer. So very audible, which is nice. Again, I'm not going to get into the weeds on this with the details. I'm going to save that for the range portion of the video. It is a very stiff magnification ring, but I'm sure that will loosen up. The diopter ring is also very stiff. But honestly, I like that because with caps like this, it's easy to, once you've got your eye relief set, it's easy to goof it up. Because sometimes I like to take this off when I'm at the range. It does have a zero or side parallax focus, and it is supposed to parallax down to 30 yards, which is nice for, you know, dry firing and stuff like that. So anyway, there it is. That's all I'm going to talk about it for this portion of the video.